So apparently, at one point in time, Mr. Potato Head actually received 4 votes in an election in Idaho. With the current state of our country, he doesn't sound like a bad choice. Totally awesome, useless information. So, okay. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jenny, and if you're new here, this is More Than a Pretty Face. And today is going to be part 1 of what will most likely be a 3-part Dollar Tree haul. I had to break it up. It was such a big shopping trip that there's no way I could have held the attention of anybody, myself included, to show y'all everything that we were able to find yesterday. So I've got it separated pretty cool though. I was able to find a lot of the things that had been on my wish list. One part will be kind of gadgets, outdoor stuff, toys, and tech. One part will be beauty and decor, and then another part will solely be my favorite, the lemon tablescape. Oh my gosh, y'all. I finally found it, and I found all of the pieces, like all of it, so I can do an entire tablescape. And at the end of whatever part that becomes, there will be a video showing once I have my dining room completely done with all of the pieces. I'm so excited. Stay tuned for that. And I will have links to each video as they progress in the description of the video following. So let's get started. That was a super long intro. All right, so I think we'll start off with beauty and decor for the first part. Y'all, you're not gonna believe what I found. Well, you probably will. You'll probably be like, I'm really not that shocked, but I'll save that for last. But to start off, we'll do decor and then we'll end it with beauty. So Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game. I've said that in numerous videos as far as their like wall decor and their seasonal decor. And if you remember, I think it was my last video from Dollar Tree, I had shown the gift tag signs that were the patriotic ones. And I said that I wanted to find a bow or make a bow to stick to the bottom of it or stick to the top of it. Well, I found one and it's so cute. I'm gonna do a little tweaking to it to make it a little fluffier, but it's the burlap with the, you know, the glitter, and it's more of an outdoor. It's a little bit stronger than standard burlap. It does have the plastic lining along the back to make it a little bit more sturdy, but I'm gonna maybe probably even add some wire to it to get the little loops to fluff up a little bit more. But I'm gonna put this at the bottom of that gift tag sign that I've gotten. Super cute, so excited. So found this. They had tons of different ones. This was the only one that I really liked, but I was happy to find that. Okay, so we know that my bathroom and my bedroom are all pink and gray themed, kind of with the Paris theme. And I had taken 2 of my little candle holders that I had on both my nightstands and moved it to my bathroom because I had turned them into some brush holders, and so I didn't have anything for that part of my nightstands. And then I found these. Y'all, how pretty is this? The camera is not picking up on the actual color. They are an iridescent gray. It's got that like rainbow iridescence, almost like the oil slick look to it. They're so pretty, and they're pretty big, and they'll hold the pillar candles. They'll hold some of the smaller jar candles. In fact, the ones I just showed the other day, the little jars, they fit in here perfectly. And so a lot of times, a lot of their candles, you can't get the label off. And I don't like to put candles out with the labels on them unless it's like a specific decorative label. And so this is perfect. You don't have to worry about trying to peel a candle. But I found these. Pretty are these? They're like twisted pillars. I don't know. They're super cute. They fit perfectly right inside the top of these, and I was able to only find 2, so it worked out perfect. So I got these for the sides, or the nightstand. I can't speak. So I got these to put out in my bedroom, and I'm so excited for them. And you could also use them for, you know, brush holders, pen holders. You could use them for like you could hold utensils, plastic utensils, if you were having like a get together or something. So many uses for these. They're so pretty. They'd be pretty on a desk. They'd be pretty, you know, anywhere in your house. Bathroom, you could put toothbrushes in them. So they also had, okay, they did have 3 other colors. They had a real soft pale pink, the teal blue, and they had a like a white, a pearly white one. So I just got this one. Probably should have gotten the pink ones, but I'm gonna go overboard with pink. So check these out. Love them. And they're heavy too. And then I guess we'll go into the wall art. Okay, so I am a sucker for all of their canvas art. They always have the cutest styles. And I happened to find 3 that are like perfectly on point with what I've been doing decor wise in my room and bathroom lately. And so I found this one that's kind of like, it's kind of a mix between, is it a vase or is it a perfume bottle? Either way, I love it. It's so pretty and the colors are really good. It's got the metallic look to it. And then I found the actual perfume bottle. So I was super excited for this one. And again, it's got the metallic finish and it's got the little L'Amour for the name of the perfume. Super pretty, pink and gray. And then the last one I found, oh my gosh, it was like meant to be. Yeah, I found this one I'm fixing to show y'all at Ross a few months back when I first started doing all of my switch up. And it's beautiful. I love it. It's got the Louboutin shoe, of course, but it's got the books, and I decorate with books. I've said that before. I decorate every single room in this house, bathrooms included, kitchen, everything. I use books to decorate with. So I had found this at either the Ross or TJ Maxx. I can't remember. But I found this. Oh my gosh. How perfect is that? It is like, it could be no more perfect. I love it. It's let me take the plastic off so you don't get the glare. It is absolutely perfect. And it's the metallic. And it's his fashion book in Paris. And it's got the purse. And then it can go next to the shoe. I love it. Oh, I love it. So, y'all check out the canvas. In fact, and they have like tons of different ones. I mean, they've got the boho. They've got the elephant that I've told you before. I'm not a fan of the elephant decor. But if you love the elephant, they've got you covered. And they had some that were just like the kitchen-y and the farmhouse, and they've got so many different styles. So go check them out. And then framed art, they had I love this one. I'll probably take it out of the frame and reframe it, but I thought it was so cute. I would like to use it for the backdrop when I film in the bathroom and stuff. But it just says "Hello, Lovely." And it's so cute, and my light is like reflecting terribly off of it, but let's see if I can cover some of that up. But it's just "Hello, Lovely" with a different type of lettering. Like I said, the gold frame is hideous. I will definitely change that out. But and then the last framed one I found is going to go in my kitchen next to my coffee pot and my little coffee station. But it was this one. It's super cute. So it's just like the bistro. I thought it was precious. So again, I might change the frame on this too, because I don't know why they did an all white background with a white frame, but I'll switch that out too. But I just wanted it for the print. And then the last art that I found is the little blocks. They've switched it up. Instead of it being the shadow box, put the light up again, they've added the little glass to the front of it, or plexiglass, and it just says "She believed she could, and she did," and it's in pink, of course. So I got that just on my desk, because I always tell people, I'm like, if you tell me I can't do something, I'm gonna do it twice. So this was perfect. So that's it for the decor. Beauty. Let's go into that. So okay, so I've seen these. I've seen some people, different people do this with them, and so I finally found them. My store just never had them. But it's the little kitchen organizer baskets. But I'm going to use them upside down in my drawer. And then you can put lipsticks, mascaras, brushes, just about anything you can think of. And so I'm going to put them side by side. And then I'll be able to just kind of reach in and grab what I need. So I thought it was super cute. Speaking of DIY storage for makeup, I've been looking for quite some time and I could never decide on which one I wanted, but it's the acrylic beauty organizers, the ones that have like the drawers and the little spots for the brushes. And I have one that I found at Ross that was like $8, but it just had the 2 drawers and the spots on top. Well, Dollar Tree had come out with the acrylic pieces that can stack, and they have like the deep containers that you can put like cotton balls and stuff in, but they also had the individual little square drawers. So I thought, the set that I wanted is $36. The set that I created cost me $14. And I also have seen, I need to see if I can find them at my store, but I have seen the deeper drawers individual. I would like to pick up 2 more of those so that I can have the full $36 one for $16. So check those out. I hot glued them together, and it's not permanent because the hot glue, you can, pull it apart carefully and peel the glue off if you wanted to reconfigure it or if you wanted to use them for something else. But for $14, I'm there for it. And it looks super cute on my counter. So I was so excited. Yeah, so that's it for decorating. Storage, while we're on storage. Y'all, pink, if they have it, I'm gonna grab it. And they finally came out with the little wash buckets that are in the pink color. So I got them. And it's a different brand than they normally carry. I don't recognize the brand that it is. It's the Bella. Our store doesn't typically carry that brand, but they had them in this color. They had them in the seafoam green, almost kind of like this color here. And then I want to say they had them in a gray, but it wasn't the right gray that I use. It was more of a brown gray. So I didn't grab them, but I did get the pink. They're so cute. So beauty. I only have 3 items to show you, but the last one, made the whole trip worth it. So you know how I showed y'all the other day the hard candy neutral eyes kit? Well, they now have the hard candy sassy eyes kit, and it's purples and blacks, and it'll do an amazing smoky eye. I know it will. I can't wait to try it out. But it's got the look card that I showed y'all in the other one. So they are killing it with the hard candy. Every day it's like another hard candy product. Speaking of hard candy, so when I did the Dollar Tree makeup challenge, I showed y'all the highlighter that they had come out with that was like the blues and the pinks, more, the cooler colors, and I kept wanting to get the warmer tones because everybody was showing it. I found it. Y'all, this is beautiful. I mean, I say it all the time, I'm shook. I am shook. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. I wanted to use it today, but I didn't want to have it open. I wanted to be able to show it to y'all, in the package and everything. But it's the hard candy Just Glow, and it's number 1446, if that tells y'all anything. But it's a 24 karat gold highlighter. I cannot wait to try this. I can't wait. I will have used it in tomorrow's video. Bet. Oh, and then of course I found finally was able to get a hold of the super thick elastics. Y'all, okay, so my hair, when I put it in a ponytail, the ponytail holders either break or they're just not strong enough to hold my hair up, and then always, my ponytail tends to fall. I like to have a tight ponytail because I kind of push it up, whenever I have one to give it a little bit more body. And unless you have a really tight ponytail holder, it doesn't work. So I was excited to find these, and there's 6 of them. So this would definitely not be $1 at Walmart. I mean, it's the Greenbrier brand, so it's not like, Goody or Scunchie or whatever, but I don't care. Who cares? It's a freaking ponytail holder. But 6 of them for $1? Yes, please. And the finale. Okay, so y'all know my thing with the lashes. I love their lashes. Their lashes are amazing. They're amazing. They're amazing. I have them on today. It's the only lashes I wear anymore. And my store knows if they get the new season's set of lashes in, that they have a requirement to call me. They have my business card, and both stores here know to give me a shout and say, hey, we got some lashes in. You might want to come check them out. Y'all know what's coming. They got their summer lashes in. Look at this. Yes, ma'am. You know I bought the whole doggone case, the entire case. There were only like 3 taken from it when I saw it. And of course my son was with me, and he's like, Mama, please, why do you do this? Every time we go and you see the case, you have to buy the whole doggone case. Yes, I do. I use them every day. I use them on every client. These will last me, now that I'm back to work, this case will last me like 2 months and it'll be gone. So yeah, hello, $70 versus, do you know how much 70 pairs of lashes would have cost at Ulta or even on Amazon? Yeah. So I apologize. If you go to the Hickory Hollow Dollar Tree, you're not gonna find any lashes because your girl got them all of them. So yeah, and the styles this season, oh my gosh. Okay, so let me show you all this pair. Do you see these? Do you see that? Are you kidding me? And it's the wispy long crisscross. I can't wait to try that one. The ones I have on today are this one, the wispy crisscross. So it's like a smaller version of that one, but I'm so excited. I walked in the door, and before I could even tell my husband, my son was like, Daddy, she did it again. She bought another case of lashes. I did. It's kind of like if you're an architect, or if you're a contractor, you're going to go buy a case of nails. Or if you are a painter, you're going to go buy a case of sanding blocks, or a case of brushes, or a case of roller covers. I can write it off at tax time. Save the receipt. I rung it up separate. I can write that off. So I was excited. Anyway, so that was it for this part. Stay tuned for parts 2 and 3, and as well as the little quick video that's going to come with the tablescape I'll be doing. So I will talk to y'all soon, and I'll see you in the next part of my haul. Bye. Make sure you hit the bell so that you stay up to date on all of my latest uploads and videos. Also, follow me on Instagram at jwaltmua, or check out my website, jennywalton-artistry.com.